Hi students, in this class I am going to explain about variables in C programming. Variable means variable is a container which holds data in main memory. For example, variable is a container. See, let us assume memory location should be like this. Assume this. For every memory location there is some address. For example, 2000 is a address of this memory location. Every memory, if we give a name to this memory location, for example, నేను A అనే నేమ్ ఇచ్చాను ఈ మెమరీ లొకేషన్కి. A అనే నేమ్ ఇస్తే means that is A is nothing but the name given to this memory location. Memory location name ఇస్తే that is nothing but variable. Not only that, variable is a container. See, this is a variable is a container which holds data in main memory. This is main memory. This is also, we will explain the definition of variable. Next, we have some rules of these variables. How to declare name of, how to write name of a variable by using these rules. Variable can have alphabets, digits and underscore. For example, see, this is a variable std underscore student roll number 9. This is a variable. Variable means, see, first point, variable can have alphabets. Yes, we have some alphabets, underscore, okay, underscore and digits. This is valid. Next one, variable name cannot start with digit. For example, if I write like this, 9 std roll, this is invalid. Next, no blank spaces allowed. See, int std space roll, this blank space, no blank spaces should be allowed. This is invalid. Next, C is a case sensitive. So how, see here, int std is different from int std, int std. These three are same but three are different. C will allocate different memory locations. This is for std, this is for capital std, this is for capital std. ఈ మూడు డిఫరెంట్ అన్నమాట. C is case sensitive always. Lower case and upper case. Lower case word is different from upper case letters. See, next one, variable name must not be a keyword. Variable name keyword ఉండకూడదు. Means, for example, see, we have 32 keywords. For example, int auto is a keyword. It is invalid. Int go to, it is also a keyword. This is invalid. Int extend, it is also keyword. It is invalid. See, variable is a container which holds data in main memory. Variable can have alphabets, digits and underscore. Variable name cannot start with digit. No blank spaces are allowed. C is a case sensitive. Variable name must not be a keyword. How to declare a variable here? Data type, variable name. For example, int is a data type. Variable name is a. This is declaration. This is syntax. How to declare a variable. Next, variable ki data initialize cheyalante, see, data type variable name is equal to value. Means int a is equal to 10. This is initialize, how to initialize a variable. When we declare a variable, let us assume memory should be like this. Int a, this is memory location. Memory will allocate in main memory. Main memory lo memory allocate అవుతుంది int a అన్నట్టు. నెక్స్ట్, ఆఫ్టర్ ఇనిషియలైజేషన్ int a is equal to 10. ఈ a కి 10 అనే వాల్యూ ఇచ్చాం కాబట్టి a లో a will store 10. That's why variable means which holds data in main memory. Mainly we have two types of variables, local variable and global variable. First of all, we will discuss about local variable. Local variable means a variable which is present within the function is known as local variable. Local variable ante variable which is present within this function is known as local variable. The scope of this local variable is within this function only. Next one, see, this is the example for local variable. We have this is variable declaration, this is initialization. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, I have three variables a, b, c. Memory will allocate here. Let us assume memory should be like this: a, b, c. 2000, 2002, 2004. These are the addresses. Next one, next step, after evaluation of this step, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. A will store 10, b will store 20. Next step, c is equal to a plus b. Here a, b and c all are local variables only, because these three variables present in within the function only. The scope of these three variables is within this function only. See, the a value 10, a value fetches from this memory location, and b value fetches from this memory location. B is 20. After a plus b, 30 will store in c. 30 will store in c. Print of percentage of the c means it will print 30. Next one, global variable. Global variable means global variable. Global variable means a variable which is declared above the main function. See, int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, main int c is equal to a plus b, printf percentage d c. See here a and b are global variables. The default value of global variable is 0. Means when we declare it, the memory will allocate global area section. This is a and this is b. For c, memory will be allocated in stack. This is global area section. For example, it has address 2000, or let us assume address 2004 or 2006. Next one, this is local variable. These two are global variables. The default value of local variable is garbage. Next one, c is equal to a plus b. A is global variable. The scope of this global variable is throughout the program. We can global variable ni program lo ekkana access chesukochu. Anywhere we can access this global variable. See, c is equal to a plus b. A is nothing but global variable. A value is 10, b value is 20. Easily a and b value, a value 10, b value 20. Next, a plus b is 30. 30 will store here. Means printf percentage of the, it will be 30.